Hi, so today we have a very young patient with us. He's 60 years young. We performed a hair restoration on him. This was 6 months back.
6 months back, yes.
Yes. And how are the results?
Excellent.
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 How's the change happened over a period of 6 months?
The best.
The best. What changes have you seen? Have you seen your hair coming in a better way?
It's keep on growing, you know.
It's keeping on growing. What are the compliments that you're getting?
Compliments. Okay, where did you go?
Where did you go get it done?
Where did you get it going? Get it done.
And does it look very natural to you?
Yes. So far, yes. Very nice.
Right. So why did you decide to go for this? Many
Why?
people tell me that I'm 60 years, I'm 50 years. Now how does it matter if I have hair or not?
I have the lust for the life.
Ah, that's good.
And one life to live, you know.
One life to live, yes. So, having hair or not having hair is a personal choice, yes. You can be any age, you can be, any gender, yeah, it doesn't matter. If you want to have it, it is possible to have it in
Doesn't-
age.
Age
right?
is just a number.
Age is just a number.
Right, just a
And how was the experience with us?
Excellent. You know.
What,
What? We keep coming back here.
right. What do you like the most about our clinic?
Dr. Anand.
That's really sweet of you. No, but
Next
he's
is
been-
Hina. Next is Hina.
Next
Hina
is
is a
Hina.
little bit behind, okay?
Right. So, no,
Is that okay?
He's been one of my most cooperative patients. Yes, he's full of life. At 60 years, they find even half of this and be more than happy. Yes.
Yes.
So thank you for this, and I hope. So this what you see is only 50% of the result. This is only 6 months. So
6
the next
months.
50% is going to come in the coming few months. Yes.
Yes.
In the coming 6 months more. Yes. So it's going to look much more full.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay.
All
I'm
right.
looking
So
forward, you know.
yes.
Right.
So maybe I'll keep you guys updated 6 months from now. Yes.